up, what's up? It's your girl Tiny and welcome to Tiny Glams. Today your girl is gonna be doing a cut crease rose gold smoky eye, and we're gonna be doing a half cut crease. So first we're gonna start off by just getting into our skin prep. I already did my eyebrows off camera, and as y'all can see, your girl eyebrows are already arched. We're gonna start off with our Dior Hydra Life Deep Hydration Serum and do a few pumps. We're just gonna put that all over our face. And this helps just to start off with a super hydrated base. You can use any serum. Of course, Dior is an amazing brand for serums. Any serum works for skin prep. The key is to make sure that you have already washed your face. You've taken off any products from the previous day. After our serum, we're gonna go in with our Dr. Dennis Blur and Repair Cream. Do 2 pumps. And then put that all over your face. You can use any moisturizer. Some people like to start off with primers, but for me, since I'm so focused on my skincare, I choose to just do a moisturizer. My favorite primers are the NYX Marshmallow Primer. That one is gonna be very blurring. And it's gonna focus on pores, and also the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So like I said, your girl is not using any primers, but we're gonna go in with this $3 Beauty Supply Concealer, Nika K Concealer, and this one is gonna be a super coverage, full coverage. So I'm just gonna put some of that on my hand. We're going to carve out the bottom of our eyebrows and bring it down to the lid. So like I said, start from the very front of your eyebrows. You're just gonna carve out that brow. And some people like to fill in their brows very thick so that they can evenly carve out the bottom so it won't look too skinny. And as y'all can see, your girl got a skinny brow, so, but it's still eating. And don't be afraid to make a mistake, love. We can always fix makeup. Some people don't want to. I done said some people like 20 times. Don't be afraid to play with your makeup and see what you like. Just give it a try. You can always use makeup remover. You can always restart. All about the process. You learn as you go. I've had my eyebrows like how many different shapes? I've had my eyebrows so many different shapes, but recently I've been loving it. Like, I shave the ends of my brows and then I just fill them in. My eyebrows are arched, baby. So now we're gonna take this brush right here and I'm going to pat that in. So just blend in everything we just did. Next, I'm going to be taking my Kosas brightening powder in Peachy and a Real Techniques fluffy brush. We're gonna pat that on there and then place it on top of the lid. And this helps just to set our base. We want to make sure all of our liquid products are set on our face so it won't crease. So we won't do a beautiful eyeshadow look and then next thing you know it is creasing. Baby, no, no, no. So yeah. Set everything. I am going to be using the Glam Smart Cookie Palette. And as you can see, it's super beautiful. We will start off with this shade right here, Churro. We're gonna start off with that shade, and I'm gonna use it as a transition. I like to pack it in on the edge and then kind of brush it inwards. And one thing about me, I tend to do like similar techniques to my makeup. This type of color just hits every time in any eyeshadow palette that I have. Next, we will be going in with this darker brown, which is called Love Chip. And then this other dark color right here. Not edge, but on the outside of that shade. And as y'all can see, it's getting deeper. Y'all, this fly. And bring it inwards. And putting it right on the edge. Put it on the edge of both sides. And I'm gonna flip that brush and work it inwards. Yeah. And next we're gonna be using that same exact shade of concealer, and I'm going to cut my crease. So I'm gonna try to show y'all. Start from the front and make sure your brush is super flat. And you don't have to go all the way, so cut that crease and now I'm going to be taking this white shade right here. So not only is it gonna set the crease, it is going to brighten that color too, to not make it so yellow. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be back. And then we're going to be taking this really, really, really pretty highlighter from Ambivert Cosmetics, and we're gonna place that right on top of that shade. And it gives this beautiful, beautiful shimmer shade. So I actually decided to add something a little bit extra, And we're going to be using this Miss A Eyes on Me Vivid Liquid Liner. And it's just like a white liner. Like a carved out wing. Carve it out. This giving very much winter, like a winter wonderland type of child. I don't know. We just doing something. Decided to add more of a line to it. Do another one. I don't know what type of holiday we at, but hey, it's some type of holiday. Next, we're going to pop on these lashes right here. And this is the final eye look. Now that we have my lashes on, we're gonna go in with our Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. As y'all can see, it's dripping off my hands. And I'm just gonna place that on my dark marks. And we're taking this little brush and blending it out. Brush from Real Techniques and pat that in. And don't be afraid of the color, especially if it's too light or too dark, because we're gonna fix it with concealer or either bronzer. So I decided to grab my Fit Me darker foundation, and we're gonna place a little of that on top of the previous foundation we just did. So this one has a little bit more of a warmth to it. And this adds the color back into our face. After foundation, we're gonna go in with that same concealer and put it right under our eyes. Upper lip, chin, and forehead. And I'm taking my brush. We're just gonna let that sit for a little bit, for like a few seconds. And now we're gonna blend it in. That same brush that we use for the foundation and blend in your under eyes. The setting spray we're going to be using is the Makeup Revolution Super Hold. This one is a great dupe for the one size mattifying setting spray. We're taking that same Kosas powder in Peachy and putting it under our eyes. take your mascara after setting your face and then put it on your bottom lashes. And we're using our Juvia's Place bronzer. Carve out our cheeks. This helps to add that color back into our face. And be sure to place it on your forehead also. And jawline. Then grab a smaller brush and use that same contour to go down your nose. Now we're going to be taking this pink blush and it gives us like a Barbie look. Put some on the front of your nose. Put a little bit of that highlighter on your nose, the tip of your nose, and some down the bridge of your nose. I like to also put some on my top lip, cheeks, just to add a little bit of a glow. Baby, that ain't a little bit of glow, that's a lot of glow. And our last and final step is lips. We're using the NYX Club Hopper lip liner and the Filter Huda Beauty lip gloss in the shade She Fire. So a tip for lips is to draw an X right at the top in the center. And then you're just gonna go around that X. And then now with this beautiful lip gloss. And it smells like coffee. And she ate.